tonight. Going to be doing some playing around on my piece that the weekend's video is about. This is Thursday Train, and I want to invite you, stick around, because after me is going to be Just Janice, followed by Art by Julie E. So this is early warning. If you haven't done so, I want to thank you first off for coming back and seeing me. If this is your first time, welcome. It's always a good time right at the beginning, if you haven't already done so, to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications of future videos. I'm right now putting out about I don't know, one a week at least. I'm starting to build up and doing a little bit more, and check out my shorts also. So enough promotion. I'm going to be doing some work on this tonight. I want to kick it up and the next level. I've already taken the time and put in some. I piped in some texture here. This is it was modeling gel and black paint, and it just to give myself a border and give myself a little definition. I'm going to be using my Koso paper. I've got just a plethora of different things here. The white works beautifully. Probably this black looks like an idea. I just absolutely love this orange, but I just don't know how to fit it in because it's pretty dynamic. I'm gonna have to use it one of these days. I just love it. This white transparent after it gets adhesed to the whatever you're working on. I haven't found any use for this yet, but I'm sure I'm going to. I love the feel of it, and I love the model, the black and the white. I've used this before. It makes for, it's not exactly black, it has some other tones in it. That might be an option. This is a beautifully textured paper. I may look at doing that. And the thing about this is amazing stuff. The thing about this, you can, when you put it onto your canvas or whatever your substrate is, it'll all but disappear, and you can color this so that you can have the texture without having necessarily the crown color. So that's my options there. Put that aside. Over here, I had the leftover paints that I had, and I made myself a skin. And I think I'm going to use a skin to maybe fill in some parts. Maybe give myself a little bit more depth. It's all good, one way or another. I think it could work beautifully. Has some nice texture to it because it was rather thick when I used it. When I poured it, it might give me a little bit of something that I can work with. So you might see that come into play. And that's the whole point. I am playing tonight. I am finding ways to kick this one up just a notch or two. And so without any more talk, let's get to it. had some fun with this. I'd be a little conservative. Maybe come back and revisit this. A little bit of the coats of paper underneath there with some nice texture. And the inside cutout of a failed piece, which I think kind of works there. Unintentional moons, I guess. But it's the color variation that carries through kind of makes a little bit of sense. So I'm going to call this for right now and probably come back at another time and revisit. I should go down and show you that. All of this little line work is done with molding paste, and it really did a nice job. I'm going to mess up there, but you know, it's not supposed to be absolutely perfect. I'm kind of liking the borders of that, and I think I'm going to throw a little bit of some varnish on this and see how this opens up a little bit. And I'll probably show that before I'm done here. So that's it for tonight. Again, this has been Thursday Train. Up next is going to be Just Janice, followed by Art by Julie E. So stick around, see what they come up with this week. And as always, I really appreciate you being here. And I hope you got something out of this. So, till next time, bye for now.